Hello, in this overview I'm going to show you a new feature that we've just added to DataOodloo called scoreboards. And the idea of it is that you just get a scoreboard easily into your classroom and you can use it on your whiteboard. It's very simple. So you log into your Odloo account and you click on other stuff, and here's the list of all the other things apart from the normal Odloo functionality that we have in here now. We're starting to expand this out. You must check out Votes in, by the way, it's really cool. And then we've got this item scoreboards here. And it just says here, quickly and easily create a scoreboard for your classroom. That's it, super simple, because we're not trying to do anything particularly clever here. This is just to give you a tool. If you want to, you can share that by clicking the share link and copying it. And you can send that to people to have a go without actually logging in. But if you do that, then they won't. If they do that, then they won't be able to save the data. So the advantage of being logged in is, of course, you've got an account that you can save data against. So it's better to do it logged in, so that you can come back to your scoreboards in another class. Maybe you start a game in one class and then want to continue it later on. You obviously want those scores to be saved. So click on the scoreboards icon here, and it takes you into the scoreboards app. And you'll see the first thing that it does is it creates you a scoreboard. That's it. This is the scoreboards app, basically. There is not much more to it than this. So basically it displays the players on the screen, and it defaults by giving you 4 players, but you can have as many as will fit on your screen. And you can remove a player if you want to. You can just click on that icon there and remove it. That's the sort of bin icon, trash icon at the top right. If you want to change a player name, you click on the player name and says, let's call this Johnny, and let's call this Sarah. So you can just click on the player's name to quickly and easily change the names. Okay, then to use it in the classroom, all you do is press on, to add points to these users or these players. You can add with a plus or a minus, and that's it. If you want to add a new player, you can just click on Add Player. It'll add a new player, and of course you can change his name like that, or remove it or add points. So as you can see, it's very quick and easy to do that. You can, if you want to name your scoreboard, you can click on this name here. Let's say Class 5A, for example. And now I've renamed it. And once you're logged in the logged in version, you've got a few icons at the top here that you can use as well. Probably the most useful one instantly is this expand screen icon. It basically makes it go full screen, which is quite nice if you're using it on a whiteboard, because you don't get the sort of chrome of the browser and stuff. You can delete your scoreboard. You just click on that and click on yes. I'm not going to, because I want to keep this, but click on yes, and that will delete that scoreboard and sort of sets you back to no scoreboard, so you can sort of manage them a bit. And then in my scoreboards, this icon here, I've just clicked on that, and you'll see that it's given me a list of, well, it's just a list of one item at the moment with Class 5A, which is the scoreboard that I was just playing with there. And I can create a new scoreboard just by clicking on that, and that's now created me a new scoreboard. Let's call this Class, oh dear, sorry, just hit a random key on my keyboard. Let's call this Class C. We'll just do that. Okay, so now this is the Class C board, and you'll notice it's got different names again now, and that's because these are separate scoreboards. So you can save as many as you like of these. So we've got the 5A one there with Callum, Johnny, Sarah, and Bert, and we've got Class C with player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4. And that is it. Simple as that. I hope that's useful, and thank you very much.